our new feature, the follow-up appointment queues. From now on, we will be able to automatically create follow-up appointments for our patients when we are entering the follow-up date or the days for our patients. As you can see, once you finish the prescription, a follow-up appointment will be created and it will be seen in our follow-ups queue. We can check it via the date or the days or by the start and the end date. So once we create a follow-up appointment, we can see over here awaiting patient response. In this time frame, the patient receives a WhatsApp communication where the patient can confirm or deny whether he is coming to the appointment or no. Similarly, we will be sending follow-up appointment reminders to the patients one day prior to the scheduled appointment and on the day of the appointment. Even we doctors will be able to send a follow-up reminder by clicking these 3 dots and send a follow-up reminder. Thank you.